Hi everybody, Belinda here. I hope you're all keeping well. Today I'm going to be working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I've gone ahead and laid down my white base coat, and the colours I'll be using today is dark sateen purple. To the dark sateen purple I've added some Deco Art amethyst, and this would be the B.A.D fluorescent yellow and fluorescent pink, and I've got quite a bright green and B.A.D. Now this is actually not Prussian blue, it's Payne's grey, but to me it looks like Prussian blue, so we're going with that. So I've just got to think about now my order of colours. I think I would like my green to kind of be in the background. Just make that a little bit longer. Ooh. These guys really stick tight. I'll go with the blue. So today is the first day of our lockdown, and yeah, my cat seems to be very aware that something is going on. I think because she can hear voices, probably hear the voices in the car, you know, in the houses, even though I can't hear them, but she probably can. They got really good hearing, and yeah, there's always cars. There aren't usually cars around during the day in the neighborhood. So I'm sure she's looking at this and thinking something is not right. Shame. So she's kind of in and out the house. She doesn't quite know what she should be doing with herself, because during the day it's her sleep time. I'm sure a lot of cats actually do sleep during the day, and she's been in and out. Poor thing. She can't understand what's going on. Okay guys, I've been talking so much, I think I've got far too much paint. But let's just go with it. And in saying that, I'm now going to add a little bit more of this yellow over here. That's quite a lot of paint, right? So, let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you guys are under lockdown, how are your pets behaving? Are they finding it a little bit different? Right, I'm just going to try and blow a little bit. I need to blow some of this. It's looking good. I might have to turn it so I can blow some over there. These cells are absolutely amazing. Loving those colors. And here it's all like the bloom effect. Wow. I'm just wondering, I seem to have, it looks like 4, but I actually have 5. So yeah, so I don't want 4. I don't want it to look like 4. So I think what I'm going to do, yeah, that looks really, really pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm going to have to try and turn this because I really want to blow some of this, a bit more of that away. So let's see how that goes. Can put that there. Hopefully my hair's my hair's not going in the paint. That's looking a bit better. Okay guys, I'm going to give this a little torch and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. So I just want to see what else I can get up, definitely around the edges. Oh, so beautiful. Wow. So this is it guys. I'm absolutely loving those cells. I think that this came out really beautiful. Look at all those cells and the different colors. It's just gorgeous. Love those cells. Absolutely love them. And looky there. Look at all that lacing. The lacing and plenty of cells. You see all of those pink ones there right next to the light, the reflection of the light. I'm very happy with the way this turned out. Well guys, thank you very much for watching and stay safe, and if you're interested in any of my artwork, you can email me on withBade@gmail.com. Thanks guys. Bye.